nangyari sa honeymoon? Hello, Ken.
Teacher,
How are you?
I am great.
Oh, how was your night? Yesterday, you have your Mid-Autumn Festival.
Yeah,
Oh, and how was it?
it is awesome.
Wow, it is awesome, teacher. Oh, that's good to hear that it is awesome. Okay. So now, teacher Anne is very excited to see you. Oh, know that? Oh, I am very excited to see you. Okay, here. So now, Ken, so we are going to move on unit unit 8. So please try to stand by your camera and don't try to move it. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Now, Ken, we are going to talk now about hat test. That's it's the hat test and coldest. Do you like that? You just came from school? Wow, that's good. Let's dance. Oh, very good. Oh, oh, wow, Ken. Very lively. Yeah. Wow, you keep on dancing. Wow, thank you for that. Well, I didn't know that you know how to dance. You're a great dancer. Wow, that's good. Oh, I didn't know that you're a great dancer. And you know how to dance? Did you dance at school?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Okay, where is your camera? I want to see your face. Oh, like that. Now, our lesson for today, we are going to talk about the hottest and the coldest places. Oh, okay, here. Do you know why? Okay, here. Find. You will have to find five ah five sentence pairs about different kinds of the weather. Okay. Can you see that? Can you find
Yeah.
sentence pairs about different kinds of the weather? First, let's see here. Okay, first is snow. Look at this one. Look at Ken. Snow is I'm white. I only fall on really cold days. That's the first one. Again, I'm white and I only fall on really, really cold days. So the answer is no. That's number one. Next. Oh, here, the wind. The wind. I make the leaves fall from trees and you want me when you go sailing. Okay, that's the wind. Okay, first, the wind make the leaves fall from trees. And second, the wind you want me when you go sailing. You know what is sailing?
I know that.
Oh, sailing is when you ride a boat in the sea and you will sail like that. It's sailing. Okay. Next, that's second. Next, rain. Okay, the second and third weather is rain. In rain, I can change things from dry to wet because it's rain. And I come from gray clouds. Okay. When you think there is a gray cloud, it is or there will be rain. Okay. Next one,
Okay.
number four. Number four, you lesson teacher. Number 4 is rainbow. You know what is rainbow, Ken?
No.
You don't know what is rainbow?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's behind the sun.
Yeah, and what's the color? There are how many colors are there in the rainbow?
There are 7 colors.
Very good. Great. Of course, there are 7 colors in the rainbow. And you can see the rainbow behind the sun. Okay, here. You only see me when the sun's behind you. Wow. And look carefully to see my 7 colors. Those are the 5. Okay, those are the 4 weather. Snow, wind, rain, and rainbow. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Again, what is snow? What can we say or what is the pairs about snow? Can you read it? Can?
Yes.
I'm
I
white.
am white. I only fall on really, really cold day.
How about
Wind.
wind?
Wind.
Yeah, what's that? What's with wind? I make
I make the leaf fall from tree.
then you want next. That's the other one.
You want me when you go sailing. Rain. I can change things from dry to wet. I come from great crowd rainbow. You only see me when the sun behind you.
Okay. And
Look careful to
carefully.
see my 7 colors.
Carefully.
Carefully.
Okay, this one, can you see this? This is carefully. Can you read that?
Yes. Carefully.
Change.
Cage.
Change.
Change.
Sailing.
Sally.
Find.
Behind.
Okay. You understand those words? Change.
Yes.
Carefully. Behind. Sailing. You understand those words, Ken?
I mean, understand it.
Very good. Yay! Here, look at this one. Okay. Listen and write and say. Look at teacher Ann. Listen, write and say. Okay, here. Is it right to fly a kite at night?
Yes.
Okay, here. Okay, with here. So, I will ask again. Listen and write and say. Is it right to fly a kite at night? Is it right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's right. Okay. Do you think it's right? Okay, let's see here. Here. What can we do outside in the windy weather? What can we do outside in the windy weather? What?
He can fly a kite.
Yeah, he can. We can fly a kite. Do you fly kite sometimes?
Yes.
Wow, that's great. And then, what did you do with your kite?
I play.
Yeah, okay. Repeat the whole text. Okay, you repeat the whole text. I like flying my kite. I fly my kite in a day. I don't fly my kite at night. That's not right. Oh, okay, can you read it? Read it.
Right. Yes, it is right to fly a kite at night. What can we do outside in the windy weather? Do you fly kites sometimes? Draw a kite in your notebook now. Repeat the whole text. I like flying my kite. I fly my kite in the days. I don't fly my kite at night. That's not right.
Okay, very good. You sing it. Wow, you sing it. I like flying my kite. I fly my kite in the day. I don't fly my kite at night. That's not right. Okay, can we sing it again? I fly flying my kite. I fly my kite in the day. I don't fly my kite at night. That's not right. Okay, teacher Ann is singing the song. Okay. Okay, here. Look at this one. We have here the pronunciation bites. How do you spell them? Okay. Right, kite, night, right. Again. Can you read? Right,
Right,
kite,
kite,
night, right. Okay. Look at here, Ken. Their endings are all pronounced as I, right, kite, night, right. All the endings here, the last ending sound pronounced as I. Yeah, this one. Okay, the last ending here, this one, this one, this one, and this one, it is pronounced as what? It. Right, it, kite, night, right. These words look different. Look at Ken. The words look different, but they all sound the same at the end. Okay. Okay. The words look different. Can you see that? They are different. They are different. They are different, but they are different. But the ending sound, the last, are or they all have the same sound. Okay, do you understand?
I understand.
Okay, can you see, teacher? Teacher, the last letters are not the same, but the sound are the same. Do you understand, teacher Ann?
I understand.
Can you read it again? Right?
Yeah, I can read.
Oh, can you read?
Yes.
Right?
Right, kite, night, right.
Yeah, very good. Okay, good job, Ken. Teacher will drink water. Here. Do you have water with you? Okay, here.
Yes.
No. Okay, look at this. You know that I am very amazed with you. Because don't try to write something here. Okay, because you are very good in speaking. Look at this one. Teacher will going to read this. You have to take note that An apple is colder than a chips, but an ice cream is colder than an apple. Okay, can you see that? An apple is colder than a chips, but an ice cream is colder than an apple. Can you see that? Yeah. Can you see that?
Good. I can do that.
Yeah, good. An apple is colder than a chips, but an ice cream is colder than an apple. Okay. So therefore, apple is colder than a chips, and ice cream is colder than apple. Okay? Where are you, Ken? Okay, don't keep on moving. Please try to sit properly and then don't try to move and keep on roaming around. Where are you? Oh, like that. Just sit properly, okay? So that teacher Ann will not get dizzy. Oh, I do like that. I will be dizzy. Okay. Okay. Here, look at teacher. Apple is colder than a chips, but ice cream is colder than an apple. So, ice cream is the coldest. Do you understand?
I understand.
Yeah. Okay. Look at here. Subject. Okay. Sunny. Sunnier. Sunniest. Okay. Look at this one. This is the positive degree of comparison. Sunny. It's the positive. Okay. Teacher Ann will write it here. Sunny. And here, this is sunnier and sunniest. Okay, sunny, this is what we call the positive degree of comparison. It's positive degree. Okay, when we say sunnier, this is in comparative degree. It's comparative degree. When we say sunniest, it's superlative degree. Hey, okay, can you see that? Okay, the same with what I say, I will say tall, taller, tallest. Okay, the same with that. Okay, tall, I will say Ken is tall. Here. I will write a message here. Ken is tall. Peter is taller than Ken. But John is the tallest among them. Okay. The same with this, you will use the word tall or sunny. You will use that if you are only talking with one person or one thing. Okay. One only. Like, I am here tall. I am comparing this to Ken. I am referring this to Ken. Ken is tall. I am only talking to Ken. Okay. The same with this one. I am also talking to Sunny. Sunny. The sun is sunny. Okay. The sun is sunny. Okay. When I say sunnier, look at this one. When I say sunnier, it means I compare two things. Two things. Okay. Sunnier, it's the same with.
No.
Sunnier, the same with taller. The same with taller. Sunnier, taller. They are talking two things here. Peter is taller than Ken. So I am talking two people, Peter and Ken. So when you compare two things, when you try to compare two things, that is comparative form, comparative degree. This one. This is the comparative degree. But if you are comparing, you try to compare all of them, like John is the tallest among them. So John is the tallest among Ken and Peter. If you try to compare more than two things, that is superlative degree, like sunniest. Okay? Ken, did you understand, Teacher Anne?
Yes, I understand.
Oh, very good. Yes, Teacher Anne, I understand. Okay. Now, when I say here, look at this one. I will make example. Big, look at this one. Bigger, biggest. Okay. Can you make sentence using the word big? Can you make sentence using the word big? Can you make sentence for that? Yeah. Can you make yeah. Can you make sentence using the word big? Can?
Yes.
Okay, go. Give sentence to Teacher Anne using the word big. I am. Okay, Teacher Anne will give example. You know how to make sentence using the word
No.
big? Okay, Teacher Anne will give. The ball is big. Okay, look at that one. Can you read, Ken? Can you read, Ken? The ball.
The ball.
The ball is.
The ball is biggest.
Oh, no, no, no. Only one, number one, big. The ball.
The ball is
Big.
big.
Okay, next, bigger. I am only talking to ball. Remember, Ken? Teacher Anne is only talking to a ball. Okay, here. Okay, here. The moon is bigger than the moon is bigger than the ball. So I am trying to underline the moon and the ball. I am only comparing the moon and the ball. Two things. I compare two things. That is why I use the word bigger and than. Okay? Bigger. The moon is bigger than the ball. Okay? So I compare two things. Okay?
Okay.
Very good. Next, biggest. Here, biggest. What do you think this big? Yeah? Why?
Wait a minute. I go toilet.
Okay, very good. Okay, I will wait you. Okay, Ken? Okay, here. Do you understand this? Okay, next is biggest. Okay. Sorry. Okay, here. Look at that one. Okay, look at teacher. Biggest. So when we say biggest, we have here the sun is the biggest among them. Okay, so you have here first ball. You are only talking about the ball. Big ball, only one. Second, bigger. You are comparing, you compare two things, moon and ball. So you use bigger. Okay? Next.
Okay.
Next, you use biggest. You try biggest. You try to compare all of them. So all of them or among them, the biggest is the sun. Do you understand? Oh, what's that? Raising
Yes,
the hand. Okay. Do you understand now? You raise the hand. You understand? Okay. You understand? You understand, teacher?
Yes, I'm listening.
Okay, very good. Now, here, okay. Complete the sentences with words from the back. Look up here. Look up here. Do you have notebook and paper or pen? Do you have pen and
Yeah.
paper? Okay. Now you will answer this
Yeah.
one. Okay. Please answer this one. Look at the pictures. Look at the pictures, this one. And then you try to pick the answers from here. Look at this one. What's the answer for number one? Look at Ken for number one. The coldest place in the world is Antarctica. Ken, look at number one. The coldest place in the world is Antarctica. Coldest, coldest. Okay. One. Okay, now you have to answer 2, 3, 4, 5. And you pick your answers here. This is Antarctica. You pick your answers here. Okay? Ready? Ken.
Okay.
Oh, you answer now and tell me later. You answer in your notebook. Write in your notebook the answer.
Okay.
Okay, wait for a while. Teacher Ann will go to the toilet. I will go to the toilet also. You answer. When I get back, let us check your answer. Okay?
Okay.
Oh, answer properly and please read carefully. Okay?
Okay.
You pick your answers here. I know you're very smart. Teacher will go to the toilet for a while.
I'm finished.
Okay, just tell me if you're done.
I'm finished.
Oh, very good. How
I'm
fast?
done.
Okay, for a while, teacher needs to put it here. Okay, very good. Very fast. That's my boy. Very fast in answering. Okay, now, what do you think is the answer for number 2?
It is raining.
It is
Raining.
raining. Oh, here. Okay, what's here? In here, you will pick the answers here. This one. Wait for a while. You will pick the answers here. This one. Inside this one. Inside. Can you see that?
Yes, I can see that.
Okay, you will pick your answers here. Look at number 1. It's coldest. What's number 2? That's your answer. Do not just try to look up.
It's sweaty.
What's the answer? It's
It is sweaty.
wettest. Oh, let us see your answer. Oh, very good. Can you read number 2?
Yeah. The wettest town in Canada India there are a lot.
Okay, the wettest town is India. Wet. It rains there a lot. Okay, very good. Number 3. Number 3, what's your answer? What's your answer? Number 3? Hottest? Yeah, let us see. Oh, very good. Can you read number 3, Ken?
Yes.
Can you read number 3, please?
Africa is the hottest part of the world.
Africa is the hottest part of the world. Yay. You got 2 correct. Number 4, what's your answer? What's your answer for number 4?
It's windy too.
The windiest. Oh, very good. Can you read this again?
The windiest
Wind.
is open to the wind there.
It's really strong. Again, can you read please number 4?
Yes.
The, number 4, please. Number 4, can you read number 4?
The windy.
Okay.
The windiest place is Africa to the windy there.
It's really strong. Okay, what is the windiest place? It's Antarctica. Again?
It is a Parker.
Antarctica. Again?
Antarctica.
Antarctica. Again?
Antarctica.
Very good. Yeah. Give me 5, teacher. Where's your hand? Very good. Okay. Now, wow, you did a great job. Number 5. What is your answer for number 5?
Number 5
Yes.
is brightest.
Driest. It's driest? Oh, can you read number 5?
Yeah, in Amazon it is always dry and sunny. It is the driest place in USA.
Yeah, in Arizona, it's always dry and sunny. It's the driest place in USA. So what is the driest place in USA?
It is Amazon.
Arizona. It's not Amazon. Arizona. Again.
Arizona.
Very. Okay, we will read this. Coldest. Repeat after teacher Ann. Repeat after me. Coldest.
Coldest.
Wettest.
Wettest.
Hottest.
Hottest.
Windiest.
Windiest.
Driest.
Driest.
Very good. Good job, Ken. Yay! Okay, let's move to next. Wow, because of that, Teacher Ann will give you... It's a... What's that? It's a star. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many stars did you got? It's... How many stars? 10 stars. Yay! Give me 5, teacher. Where's your hand? Give me 5, teacher. Give me 5, Ken. Give me 5, Ken. Very good. Where's your hand? Give me 5, teacher. Very good. That's great, Ken. Are you happy today? Are you?
I'm very happy.
Oh, let me see your happy face. Happy face. Look at teacher. Oh, how about you? Handsome boy. Again, one more happy face. Teacher, look at teacher. Can you see teacher Ann? Happy face. Ken. Oh, your nose. I only saw your nose. Okay, let's move here. Okay. You will have to difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Okay. This is also on comparative form, superlative form. You know the word difficult? You know this word? You know this difficult? You know the word difficult? Difficult. You know this word, Ken? Difficult. You know this word? You know this word? Difficult? Yeah. Difficult means hard. Difficult means hard. It's difficult. It's hard. Okay. Difficult means hard. Okay. It means hard. Difficult. It's hard. Okay? Okay, Ken? Difficult? Hard. Oh, very good, Ken. Yay! Very good. Oh, what's that? You're drawing something? Okay. What did you draw? Okay. Here. Can you see this one? Okay. Can you see this one? Yesterday, I was sad, but today I am happy. Look at the choices in the weather. Can you see, Ken? Choices. These are the weather. You decide how to complete it in your notebooks. It is... look at this one. Okay. Can you see what is this? What do you think is this? Ken, what is this? It's what's this?
Sleeping.
Oh, what's that? Okay, do you think this is animals in cold parts of the world? Okay, these are the animals in cold parts of the world. You know that Antarctica is the coldest country or the coldest place in the world, but Antarctica is not a country. Again, Antarctica is the coldest place in the world. Very cold. It is colder than Russia. Yeah. Look at here. Teacher Ann will read a little bit about the animals.
Pokemon.
Yeah, animals in cold parts of the world. Look at this one. We don't see animals in the coldest parts of the world. We don't see. But polar bears, which are white, this is, what do you call this one? This is polar. Ken, what do you call this one? This is, Ken, this is?
It is a police.
It's a polar bear. A polar bear.
It-
Okay. Yeah, it's a polar bear. It is one of the animals that love to be in the coldest place. The polar bear likes to be in the coldest place. That's the polar bear. Okay. Okay, here, Ken. Ken, where are you? Okay. Okay, tomorrow, on what's next? When are we going to have? Okay. On Wednesday, listen to teacher. On Wednesday, we will continue our lesson. Okay, look at teacher Ann. Look at me. Okay, on Wednesday, we will continue our lesson. Okay, we will have to stop until here for the moment. But on Wednesday, oh, what happened? Okay, listen to teacher. On Wednesday, we will
A
have.
party in my
Okay.
party on my head.
What's that? Oh,
It
I
is
didn't.
a party.
In the party. What happened? Did you slept in the party? Oh, what happened?
Yeah.
Next time, be careful, okay? Be careful next time, okay? Yeah. What's happened with that? Oh, what's happened with that one? Oh, see? Okay. For now, teacher Ann will say goodbye. Bye, Kian. Bye-bye, teacher. See you on... Oh, here, love, teacher. Oh, bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay. Take care. Don't keep on moving, okay? Bye-bye.